years ago, I began my journey in Japan, and recently I experienced a lot of highs and lows, which resulted in me moving twice in 4 months. I decided to start over, to embrace change, and to see where it would lead me. And everything really worked out in the end. If you'd like to see how it did, then come along with me this journey and let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back. I guess
Yay!
wasn't expecting to be back so soon, but
Life is lifing.
right, life
And
is
the
lifing.
girlies are trying to find apartments.
Right, so as you've heard, we are going to do apartment hunting today. We have a long ass train ride that's like 2 hours and yeah, we're gonna view some apartments today. See a realtor. We have a fun jam-packed day today. We're gonna go to a festival and then we're gonna have a good time today, so let's see how it goes. All right.
I'm gonna give you guys a nice little apartment tour. So this is the entrance here. Then we have the shoebox over here, which is really nice, and the washing machine area. Oh, this feels heavy. Oh, this is sturdy. And let's go into the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, and it has like really nice storage for makeup or whatever, which is really nice. That's me. And then over here we have our toilet with our handy dandy bidet, which is so nice. Quite an essential, and I love my bath and shower room. Love. Look at the color. It's so nice. Like I can't wait to bathe in here. And then we step into the kitchen over here, and the meter square. So it's a loft, and you would have to go upstairs. Then came the signing and moving into my new place, my final place. So I basically signed for my apartment, but I'm not finished, and I'm gonna pick up my keys next week, Saturday, which I am looking forward to. It's been an absolutely long journey, but I just decided to take a little walk down here by the riverside, even though it doesn't smell so good. So yeah, this apartment hunting process is coming to an end, and I am looking forward to moving in. Shout out to my realtor, she did her damn thing. So yeah, I'm about to head into town for one of my friends' birthday get together, and maybe I'll vlog it, maybe I won't, let's see.
Well, I never paused the music though. We can't buy that.
Guys, we're trying to boost morale, okay?
Okay, guys.
You have to leave that in.
Of course. Update. So I got my keys yesterday. I picked up my keys and she had her moving day yesterday. So now we are on day 2 of moving, and it's my moving day. This is what we are working with. So I am Still packing. I have a few boxes, like nothing too major because I got rid of my couch, my fridge. I'm basically like we talked about this. I am basically starting over. So
Let's get going.
this is how you do it. I'm here to give a mini update. We got nowhere because we're trying to get food because I forgot the key to my new place, and we were actually like 30 minutes away, about to head there, and now it's damn near 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock so I messed up. Can't cry about it, but we're just heading back towards my old place to get my keys for the new place, and we are about to have a little bit of, not a little bit, God help me, little food we eat. So it's been a long, it's been, can't even finish a sentence. And I tell you all about it when I see you again. And so after 8 hours of driving back and forth and many songs through carpool karaoke, we finally finished our move.
Ooh, yeah. Finally have some light, which is great.
And there I was, realizing that the move that was not supposed to happen was turning out to be somewhat fine. Just setting up my bed and putting everything together, getting my couch, cleaning again. It just felt so good because I haven't cooked in months, but yeah, it all worked out. I don't know how my battery is, or even if you guys can hear me clearly from this mic, but today, well, not today. Well, what I just did was go to my city hall to get my moving out papers. I'm moving all of my stuff out. Like, I had a little bit of clothes and stuff left, so that's actually what I'm going to do. I have my suitcase here. I don't know how I'm going to make it. I honestly don't. But I shall gambarimasu. Okay. No. Let's put you around here. Welcome to my channel, and thank you for clicking. Thank you for even watching my last video or just being here. I have been really rambling, but I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody that supported me throughout this journey, and who checked in on me for the past couple of months, because I've really been MIA.
Oh, ready, go.
As I'm here reflecting on this journey and how 2024 has been so far, I have to say I'm really grateful for the changes and the challenges that brought me here. Starting over wasn't something that I intended to do, and it sure as hell wasn't easy. It was so stressful. I was such a sad girl, but it led me to a place of peace and joy, surrounded by friends, embracing my passions, and just the small simplicities of life.
And we're back to Life in Japan, the horror story.
Such a rainy ass day in Tokyo. And just being, I've found that trusting the process and having patience truly pays off.
It's alright to take your time and honor your feelings. It's alright to take a step back and take time off just to be there for yourself. Eventually, everything will come together quite beautifully. And I want to also say thank you for joining me on this journey. And here's to the new beginnings and beautiful endings. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.